Hello, it's Miss Rainwater. How's everybody doing today? Did everybody remember to watch Miss Duncan go over the phonics sounds and all the cards with you before you came to Miss Rainwater? I hope so. Did you remember to upload your dojo activities yesterday? Keep working, keep working. We're looking. Okay, now, new day, new lesson. Yesterday, when we were doing our phonics lesson together, we were looking at the letter, who remembers? I. It was the long I sound, but we were still talking about that sneaky E. So today, we're still going to talk about the sneaky E, but we're going to talk about it with U consonant E. So if you look on the screen behind Miss Rainwater, you'll see there's the vowel U, it's in pink. Then there's a dash right here. What does this dash stand for? That means there's supposed to be a consonant right here. And then at the end of the word, there is a vowel. What is that vowel? That is the letter E. Very good. Now, who can remember how we code these? How are we going to code it? If this E is silent, so the end of the word, it's silent, you got to cross it out because it's so sneaky and it's silent. No one can hear it. And then it's sneaking up on this vowel right here, which happens to be a U. And the U is going to scream its long name, which is U. So that means you have to have a macron over it, okay? So this is a vowel U, consonant E. That is what that is called. Now, this time I want you to try to echo some words back to me, but this time we are going to echo it. Try something. I want you to echo stop. Stop. Good. Now, stop begins with a blend. Stop begins with a blend. So I want you to say stop without the S. What would that word be? Top. Excellent. So we're going to try that again. I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to echo it back to me without the S sound. Let's try it. Echo, step. Your turn. You should have said tep. Good job. Echo the word stay, stay. Now leave off the S. Tay. Good. Say the word store without the S. What is it? Tore. Good. Say the word stamp without the S. Tamp. Good. Say the word stick without the S sound. Tick. Ooh, we don't like ticks, especially in our hair. If you play in the woods a lot, make sure your mom and daddy check your head for ticks. Staple. Say the word staple back to me without the S sound. Table. Good. Remember, and if it's the letter sound at the beginning of a word, that's called the beginning letter sound. Now, echo these words back to me, and I want you to listen for the sound that's the same in the middle. Remember, you have beginning, you have middle, and you have end. Okay? Beginning, middle, and end. So here we go. See if you can hear anything that is similar about these words. Similar about these words. Cube. Cube. Fume. Fume. Do you notice anything? What's the same middle letter or the same middle sound that you hear in both of those words? You hear the long U sound. Very good. So I'm going to write these two words on my board, and let's look at them a little bit closer together. Rainwater is having a hard time finding it. There it is. All right. Let me erase that side word. Okay, here we go. C-U-B-E, and then F-U-M-E. Let's look at these. Look at these two words. What letter do you see that might make the long U sound? A U. But what's going to make that U be a long sound? That sneaky E is. Very good. So how do you think we should code these words? Yes, you have to cross out that sneaky E and put a macron over the U. So let's read this one together. Ready? Cube. Now, how do you know if that's a B or a D? Show me your hand trick. Show me your hand trick. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Got to keep that hand trick. You got to remember it so some of you can recognize B's and D's a little bit better. So this is cube. Oh my goodness, what do we know about a cube? A cube is a 3D shape. If it's 3D, what's that mean? It's not flat. Can you think of something in the real world that is a cube? An ice cube? Can you remember how many sides a cube has? 6. Okay, here we go. Sneaky E, cross it out, put a macron over that U. So let's read this one together. Fume, fume. Nice job, guys. You're doing so much better every day. And the responses that you are sending back to us, I love it. How sometimes you're typing even and you're sending it in. Sometimes you're writing. And I love it how you're sounding out your words by yourself. Now remember, you need to be writing your sight words correctly, okay? And we have sight words in our slideshow that you can look at the very end if you struggle with writing those words. But if you don't know how to spell another word like donkey or mule or pizza, then you just sound those words out the best that you can, okay? Because you're doing a really good job, so keep that up. Now I'm going to write 2 words on this chart. Let's look at these 2 words. Okay. Echo these words and listen for the sound that's the same in the middle of each word. Hear these. Echo them and see if you hear a sound that's the same in each one of these words. Hear these. Look at these words. What letter do you see that might make the long E sound? What do you see? Do you see a sneaky E? Yes, we do. Do we see another vowel? Yes. And we see a consonant. We see a consonant. So, how do you think we should code these words? We're going to cross out that sneaky E and we're going to put a macron over that E, and now we can read it. Ear, here. What if I cover up this E? What would that word be? Her, her. Put the E back. It's here. Now look at this one. Do you see a criminal E or a sneaky E? Yes, you do. Cross it out. Put a macron over this E, and now you have the word the ease. The ease. You got to underline that TH too. Why do you have to underline this? Because it is a digraph. It is a digraph. You guys are going to be so ready for first grade, and those teachers are going to be ecstatic about everything that you know. Now, I'm going to give you a clue to help you to remember the rule for the sneaky E with a U. Let me see if you can guess what the clue is. This is a shape that has square sides. Blocks and ice usually come in this shape. What am I? I am a cube. Very good. Okay, guys, keep working hard, and I will see you later. Bye.